Hi, my name is Jacob Talman. I'm here with some of the other NTC nursing students. I kind of wanted to show you an experiment for hand washing. It's called the water and pepper experiment. So all I'm going to need today is some black pepper, plate, some water, and some Dawn dish soap. So the first step is going to be add some water, spread pepper all around in there. The pepper kind of demonstrates the germs and dirt you'll see every day. So notice what happens right now with the way it is. I'm gonna put my finger in there. All it does is stick to it. So for this part, all I need to do is add a little bit of soap to my fingers. It doesn't take much to show this. And watch what happens when I put it into the water. And also all of that pepper moves away from my fingers. Shows really well what happens when you put soap on your fingers. You notice at first when I put my finger in there and all the salt or pepper stuck to it? Well, it's kind of similar what happens when you touch a doorknob or you're playing or preparing food. All that dirt and grease and junk and bacteria is stuck to your finger. But as soon as I added the soap to my finger, it kind of showed how soap pushes away all that dirt and germs and why it's really important when you wash your hands, not just with water, but also to use soap with it. So now that we're done with the experiment, it showed that soap does a really great job at keeping away dirt and bacteria. But although it showed that how it made it disperse right away, when you put it on your hands, you still have to wash your hands well. So I kind of wanted to go over good hand washing with you. So the first thing you want to do is put your hand under the water. From there then, you want to take, once you got your hands nice and wet and your wrist, you want to take your hand and get some soap. Once you got the soap, for about the time that you can sing the ABCs, or about 20 seconds, you want to get your wrist, your back of your hands in between your fingers, each finger, especially when you're playing in the dirt or anything really dirty, you want to get under your fingernails, just kind of scratch each one out a little bit on both sides, rub some more. And once you hit about that 20 seconds or done singing your ABCs, take your hands and you want to put them under the water. Don't just put them under and then be done. You want to take them and put them under there and keep rubbing it off on your wrist, move it down, kind of the same way you were washing your hands to get all that soap off. Because you want to make sure you get all the dirt and germs off. So once you're done rinsing your hands off, then you want to just make sure that you either put it under the air dryer and get all the water off, or take paper towel and dry them off really well.